Hello.
Today I will open this.
Try it again. Say, hello. We are the Roses. 1722.
And I will open this today.
Here, let me see. Let me.
I got it.
Maddie.
I got it.
Maddie.
You can cut it. And we won't eat over.
Okay, go for it. You do it with adult supervision. Okay, let's see.
No, don't eat. Don't eat. Don't eat. I have this one.
Well, I want to see what you're looking at.
Dad.
Cool.
Oh, Bella, stop. Let me see, man.
And
Ooh,
this-
it's so
that's what
cool.
comes with it. And
It's a little
her
paper.
hand is one.
A magic wand. Let me see the magic wand. Woo-hoo-hoo.
And he's what it can do.
Hang on. I think you just... Hang on, Matt. You're not even giving me a chance, kiddo.
Come on, watch.
Hang on, Maddie.
I hit it away.
Oh, wow. That's a common, rare, ultra rare. Oh, that's what it means. Okay. Which
What?
one did you get? You got the purple one?
Yeah.
So,
That is
it
one.
has a diamond. Oh, you got the ultra rare one, Maddie. Look at
That is
you.
one. I hit it away, please.
What do you do with this? Hang on, I'm trying to see something, man.
Do you want me to watch you?
I'm trying. What? What's going away? What's it doing?
Okay. Just he put it and he hold it away. He is stuck.
It's stuck? Is it magnetic?
Yeah. What?
You do so. Hey, you do it to the head and to the back. Look, right there, man. There's your picture. Bella, watch out.
Come on, Will. He can do my face.
Yeah, I told you it could do something. I'm showing you the picture. Look, touch it right there where it says for the purple one.
I know. I touch it. He does that afterwards.
Oh, it goes back and forth. Ooh, here, let me see.
This part.
What were you doing? The tail?
Yeah, the hack.
Ooh.
Watch.
You should be able to push it right here. It should do something. I'm not sure what.
No.
That's what it said to do.
Wait,
Oh, it's
I had this one.
Is it magnetic? Let me see.
Wait, I had this one.
Quit snatching everything, or I mean, let me see the magic wand. Oh, it's magnetic, y'all. That's what it's doing. She didn't give me a chance to look. She just takes and takes. We don't act like that. Dang it, I'm trying to show y'all. See, it's magnetic. Okay, hang on, Matt. I'm trying to talk. You keep talking over me. Look, that's magnetic, y'all. Y'all can see it. That's so cool. And then the little thing back here moves. The little tail. Alrighty. So, say thank you.
Thank you watching.
The
The
Roses 17.
22.
Good job. Did you see it's magnetic?
Yeah, I thought so.
That's what you were trying to say, but you didn't get a chance. What do you got, Bella? Thank you. That's a good bit, Bella. Here, we throw this in the trash.